Welcome to Poker Face. The game is simple. In front of us are 5 pieces of food. 4 are delicious, 1 is not. It's been tampered with to create an intense bodily reaction, but looks the same as the other food. We will all select and eat our portions at the same time, knowing one of us is fighting against the extreme things going on inside their mouth and trying desperately to show no reaction. A poker face. At the end of the round, we'll vote on who we think has the awful dish, and this time, thanks to your comments, you get to play along as well, because we'll not be letting you in on who has it. Let's do this!
How are we feeling?
The usual trepidation.
How are you feeling? We've made some tweaks to this, so now you can play at home. Kush, you've got round 1.
Okay.
Smeared spread of something.
This is sourdough.
Oh, okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, so these aren't all regular sourdough. One of these bread and butter slices has been attacked with ascorbic acid, also known as vitamin C, which in large quantities is extremely sour and overwhelming, and it's been used in very large quantities to lace the butter in one of these portions. Ascorbic acid is actually a common ingredient in bread because it enhances the gluten structures and volume, but right now, one of us is fighting to turn down the volume on our reaction.
I think what's bizarre is just up in the ante. I never like putting acid with butter because it curdles. Who's salivated so much they have to keep swallowing?
Yeah, good question. I hadn't finished.
Whose voice has changed, Mike?
No.
Should we lock them in?
Yeah.
Comment down below, who do you think's got it at home?
I think it was Mike.
I think it was me!
Oh! I'm glad you said that, because I also thought it was Barry.
I also thought it was Baz.
I thought it was Ebbers. We know from previous episodes, Ebbers can't taste sour.
And you love to point a finger.
How is it, Barry?
My teeth are furry. I can't stop salivating. Actually, like when my teeth are squeaky. Actually,
Squeaky.
like it's
Is it the acid breaking down your teeth?
You're right, and the butter definitely curdles. It was like, as it melted in my mouth, it all started to separate.
You think about putting any fruit acid into dairy, it literally...
What gave it away for you? Because I thought you did. I didn't think it was you.
Yeah.
It was a bit of a smirk.
It was a smirk, and then it was an instant point the finger at me, which was just pure deflection.
It was. I felt my eyes started to water. I was like, look at your eyes!
Round 2.
Round 2.
Oh dear.
What's gonna happen? My turn?
Wasn't Barocca.
What we got? Oh,
There's a lot of
big
it.
portion.
Really big.
Wow. What is on
Can't
top?
decide if that's liquid or jelly.
It's so wobbly. Look, I can see it wobbling.
Okay. This is called Panota.
Now, normally they are all identical, whereas here they are all different, which is much the same.
Yeah.
As in you still can't identify which is the odd one out because they're all different.
Like, grab a rotter.
Look at the wobble on that.
Oh, the texture's going to do me in,
Right.
even if I'm not got it.
One. Big mouthful.
Cheers.
Cheers. I can't say if that's a giggle or a struggle.
Yeah, look at me. I can't see your face around there.
Here there are 4 panna cottas, a classic Italian dessert consisting of sweetened cream, thickened and set with gelatin, which is extremely absorbent. Remember that bit. The 5th dish, the panna rotta, is set with gelatin, but there's no sweetened cream. Instead, pig fat mayonnaise.
Pig fat mayonnaise!
It was as soon as you said mayonnaise, I just went.
The difference between performance from 1 to 2 was amazing. I watched your pupils go to 50p immediately.
There was no way I was going to swallow that. Because the longer it sat in my mouth, the more the mayonnaise just started to spread. Like,
Oh no!
What did it actually taste like?
It took me a while to work it out. It tastes like mayonnaise. It tastes like pig fat and mayonnaise. As soon as you realise what it is,
It's so salty.
it gets worse. As soon
As it melts.
you start tasting it, and then you can't swallow.
Whereas these ones, very sweet.
I'm assuming we're all going for Barry.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's Baz.
Me.
Baz.
Definitely Barry.
Points around!
Did any of you not get that at home?
I'm really hoping Baz gets a full dirty.
What are the chances? Do the math.
Dirty run. Dirty run. Dirty run. That's spectacular.
Well done. Well done, Kush. Thank you. Go on.
Are you ready?
No.
Baz, you're doing really well. You've guessed both of them so far.
Yeah, I'm winning, apparently.
Oh, fancy.
Oh.
Boys, this is. Oh my god. Oh god. Ribeye tartare.
It's going to be a difficult one to eat because
All in one.
it's going to be
Sorry,
brittle.
you're not telling me there's an I in one of those.
I don't know, but I is underlined. Ribeye tartare.
This new iteration just fills me with so much dread.
Which one are you going for,
Let's
Baz?
go, Baz.
Tender.
I'll leave it to fate.
Wait. Baz, do you want to swap?
Oh, yes!
He's double bluffing you.
Do you mind?
It's up to
No,
you.
I'm sticking it.
All right, boys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
How? There's a...
Whilst ribeye tartare would usually be made of just finely chopped raw steak, often served with capers, mushrooms, onions, peppers, and topped with a raw egg yolk, one unlucky player has selected a ribeye tartare containing actual eyes. 10 sardine eyes.
Interesting.
It's very quiet.
Yeah. 10 sardine eyes into a single portion.
Lightly poached
Obviously.
and then stirred through the tartare mix. Yeah.
This is just. Are we ready to write?
Yeah, what's going on?
There's so many awkward bluffs and double bluffs. Okay. Locking in an answer?
Why is he gone? What
Locking in an answer.
are you laughing at?
Who's just gone? Is that because he got a waft of sardine from his left?
Has he got it again?
Come on, let's get on with it.
Right, round the table, starting this side. Oh, Mike hasn't even scored anything down yet.
Sorry, no, I have. Do you want to start
Yeah, we'll
with me?
start that way.
I think it was Kush.
I think it was Kush.
I think it was me.
Oh!
I thought it was Emma's.
You did concentration face, and I didn't know whether you were doing
I
that
thought
to
it was
throw me
you.
off.
Really?
Because you were struggling to talk.
No, I was
you went really
bluffing.
quiet.
I was bluffing. Because I thought he had it.
It was fishy, but the thing is, I saw an eye just as I put it in my mouth. So I had like a split second to prepare myself, and I was like, do you know what? It's fishy, but it's not eye-y.
Did they pop?
I couldn't, no popping. And that's what I was expecting. I saw that eye, and my life drained out of me. I was like, this is going to pop 10 times. And I'm going to have to eat it all, otherwise you're going to know.
I could have swapped.
You could
Should have gone with my gut.
That might be in the next round.
Yeah, could well be.
Right then.
Scores on the doors
Jamie's
going into
winning.
the final round. Jamie with 3, Baz and Ben with 2, Kush and me with 1.
Round number 4 looks like that.
Oh, lovely.
I love hash browns.
Béarnaise hash browns. I'll let you know the burn is spelt B-U-R-N.
Hey, look, boys, at least they're not browns.
Can we keep that in? I really want to keep that in. Can we keep that
I think bleep it and they'll know.
in? These are the ones. These are the hardest poker faces.
Yeah.
So we have to try our damnedest here.
Yeah, a big mouthful.
Bit of change.
All right.
3,
Cheers.
2, 1.
Cheers.
4 of these hash browns are stuffed with a roasted tomato béarnaise. The classic French sauce evolved from the mother sauce hollandaise with added shallot, black pepper, tarragon. One of these, however, has been pimped with Psycho Juice hot sauce. Lots of it.
The Psycho Juice special. Mind the lips.
Mike's bluffing. Evans has got a sweaty brow.
Is that all right?
Because the upper lip always goes first.
Good faces, guys. This is strong. This is much better than you got the hot one.
Yeah, how much Psycho Juice compared to the fajita?
Same.
No.
About a tablespoon. Mike?
He's not saying much.
Oh! You guys are making it very good.
I didn't realise this was a team game.
Are we ready to lock in?
We've all finished ours.
No, Ben hasn't and Mike hasn't.
I didn't eat all of the mayonnaise on
Are
mine.
you cheeky flippers? What are you game you playing here?
I will if you will.
Okay.
Cheers.
Are you ready to put a name down?
You're both doing really well.
Or Kush has played an absolute
I
blind.
don't think it's fair that I have a physical reaction because I can't control that. Should we jot one down?
I don't know what I'm going to do.
Jot it down.
Let's go this way.
Yeah, I think it was Mike.
I too think it was Mike.
I think it was Ebbers.
Oh!
I thought it was Kush.
Oh.
It was me. I am on fire.
You did so well.
I'm in big, big trouble.
How long's that train journey?
Oh, I thought I was giving it away because my nose is running.
Yeah, you can
and
see
it's so snotty.
It was the exhale that was.
Can I have some water,
But I
please?
thought it was. You did very well because I was with you. I thought it was a bluff.
It was. You were going all the classical traits, but your face was leaking.
No.
Yeah, I honestly, but my eyes were. I was
You
literally. I was a
It
nervous
was probably
sweat.
from what was coming out of my nostrils.
Evans wasn't leaking enough, that's why I knew it wasn't him.
Okay.
Yeah, because with that amount of Psycho Juice,
Yeah.
it'd be full on.
And that's why I thought you maybe had delivered an absolute blinder, and you have a higher tolerance to spice than most of us. But you even dared me to go back and eat the other half.
I
of
know,
mine.
because
That was
I thought
good.
I'd given it away. That means joint winners, Barry and Jamie with 3 points. Joint second place, Ben, Kush and me.
Wow.
I like these new cryptic titles.
Nice.
The jeopardy is painful.
How did you find that? Comment down below. Let us know how you got on. Please give us a like because we've got to make these worth doing. Any extreme flavour combinations or dishes, puns, names, anything that you can think of, comment them below and we'll integrate them into the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.
Hey!